Naku. Fana bonne if I know the king. Me, I tell myself, now my birthright. I wake up one morning, you see waiting I see. Another person, he begin to drag my right. I no go there life, make another man take him. As I dey see this throne, now my birthright. Ibiza kingdom, now my birthright. I no go there life, watch him. Make another man take my right. If you want to die, we go die. If you want to die, we die for here. Ibiza kingdom, na my right. Age of Anazo. Aguna Nazo. Age of Anaguna. Onyegati. Ibiza kingdom, na my right. Aguna Nazo. Age of Anazo. I no go there alive. Watch another person. Watch another person take my right. Onye sikagu anyagu. If you want die, we go die. Ibiza kingdom, na my right. Age of Anazo. Aguna Nazo. Age of Anaguna. Onyegati. Age of Anaguna. Onyegabigwe. Age of Anaguna. Who will be the king? The king of Ibiza. Ibiza. Ibiza kingdom, not their right. Ibiza.
How dare you violate my laws and orders in this palace?
And who are you to order the crown prince of Ibiza around?
What did I just say you say? What did you just say?
I'm Nigerian. Go ask questions, brother.
If you dare utter rubbish words around me again, I will beat you up that your lips cannot say what you say.
And I want 1 million before so. Because he cannot chase a lion away from the animals he has killed or the clan and
I am the lion.
Who made you a prince over the George? Come on back out in MLT with clan no doa.
Did you just hit me?
Yeah, you don't have one.
Did you just hit me?
You don't have one.
Did you just hit me?
You don't have.
Did you just hit me?
Your Highness, do you still remember that this palace belongs to the people, not just to you?
Yes, I do. I do remember.
Two little birds were arguing over who owns the nest when their mother left them. At a point, they decided to confront their mother with their argument. When they tabled it before their mother, she said to them that it is the wind that determines who owns the nest. Yes, she built the nest, but the nest actually belongs to the wind.
Ayaka, I can't really lay my hands on why you are saying all this. But whatever, go home with it. I am now a Christian. I am now a Christian. So, I don't want to ever see you in this palace as long as I still live here. So leave. Go.
Ikwe bute ndị ọgbakọ ụta n'azụ. Ikwe bute ndị ọgbakọ ụta n'azụ. Igwe le kaba. I will leave, but will come back when the time is right.
My king, why do you mourn her like she's already dead? I know her condition has gotten worse, but we shouldn't lose hope that she will soon recover. You have to take things easy. You know your health is not really good now.
I mourn no one but myself. Now I know that I've been long gone.
You don't have to say that. You don't have to. Remember, you're sitting on the throne.
Even the throne already knows. Yes.
My king, what is the problem? You sound serious.
Lolo,
My king.
go and make sure that the doctors are taking care of her. I want her to recover as soon as possible.
I'll do just that, my king.
Sorry, my prince. Sorry. Will you get out?
I'm here, my princess.
You must be foolish.
Sorry for the foolish.
What? Did you just call me a fool?
Oh, no. You were the one that said the word and I concurred for you. Sorry.
You must be stupid.
Sorry for the stupid.
Something is wrong with your head.
Yes, no. I'm sorry.
Sorry for your life. You want me to die of thirst before you bring me the water, huh?
No. I've been so busy. Your mother, the queen, asked me to make some soups. I've been making a fan soup, a dikaikon, a gusi, nsala, so that she can take to the second lolo at the hospital. I am sorry.
I don't care what you have been doing. Just give me the water.
And besides, about the water, I didn't bother bringing the water because
what do you mean by that?
Sorry, I didn't know that made that. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Give me the water now. Oh my God.
Sorry, my princess.
You just ruined my day.
It's because since you were telling me fast.
Will you get out of here?
Sorry, my princess.
Get out!
Sorry.
Oh my God. Where is this guy from? Like, Just take a look at my clothes.
Okay, please come. Please come. Hi. Please call my name. Call my name. Call my name. Call. I am hearing. I'm seeing your voice, but I cannot hear.
I'm shouting your name now.
Hello?
Onyemechi.
Are you calling my name? Hey, that is my eardrum. My eardrum is only slap in this kingdom.
Onyemechi.
My eardrum, my eardrum. I cannot hear anything. Oh, are you hearing what I'm saying?
I can hear you.
Are you hearing me? I cannot hear. Can you hear me? Your mouth is shaking, but are you calling my name? Call my name. Hey, my eardrum. Slap, oh, is it only slap I'm collecting here, or am I here to cook? All these small girls will be slapping me.
The land is peaceful. No war. No constant complaint from our people. We have 4 children. A boy and a girl from me. A boy and a girl from your second wife. So, what will make my king to be awake till this time?
The future. The thought of future keeps me awake.
Future? What about the future? Don't tell me you're hiding something serious from me.
It's your phone one. I want you to make our time and learn the culture and tradition of our land. Because when I'm gone, you'll be the one to sit on this throne as the chief custodian of our law and tradition. Or won't you like it?
Father, it has been my utmost dream.
Then, you have to learn and learn very well. It is very, very important.
Father, teach me, for your son is willing.
You want me to teach you? Okay, let's start this way. Son, I want to take you down the memory lane of this, our beloved kingdom.
Osia, Donike, Noleko, where's your phone?
That which you dream of can never be possible.
You know, sometimes I think it will be very foolish of me to reply to your nonsense.
Ejiofor, have you gone mad? Did you look me in the face, I wonder, and tell me I talk nonsense?
Yes. Because when you blab and even say things you do not understand, you talk nonsense.
You are a fool.
You are a bigger fool.
You are very stupid.
You are a stupid man.
My pain is that I am the one that bent the future the way it is. I never saw it coming at all.
You scare me. Don't tell me you have done something terribly wrong in the past.
Ejiofor, ma dokasi gebe ikwoto na.
Nwane amana. Can go sit.
Ma na go go back it.
I see na amu say make no.
It's okay go.
Come on, no.
It's okay go.
Come on, boys.
Shut up!
What is wrong with both of you?
Are you out of your mind? Why are you disturbing the peace of this palace?
Father,
Shut up! Look at you. Fighting before the throne? Do you know what you're doing? Huh? It's your fault. You. I am highly disappointed at you. Your mother is lying sick at the hospital. And you are here misbehaving.
Father,
Shut up! Don't talk. Aguna! Oh. I was thinking I've gotten a grown-up son. But I lied! Yes, I lied. Because you are not a brave fool.
Father, you can rant as much as you want. I don't care.
You're talking to me.
If okay, me tell go okay like.
Mirumo!
Me tell go okay like.
Mirumo!
Agona!
Arugo! Have you seen why I don't see? If you give a man, have you seen it?
Father,
Shut up!
one day we see a brother I was already. General Jelana, your former JG, you were one man.
I can see this road, now my bed right. It is a kingdom.
How many times do I have to tell you that I don't need a maid? I love your company, but not as mates. Can't we just be friends?
My princess, we are paid to stand by you, to serve you every time, and do everything you want.
The king will not be happy with us if he finds out we are not doing our jobs properly.
Okay. You want to help me do everything I do, right? I want to fly. Come and help me fly.
My princess, apart from that, we can help you do everything you want.
Let's just tell ourselves the truth. Can we just tell ourselves the truth? I'm strong enough to do whatever I want. I don't need a maid.
My princess, please. Please help us keep this job. The world is a very tough place. It will be very difficult for us to find a job that can pay as much as this outside these walls. Please help us to stay with you. We promise to serve you even better.
Why they slap now? Huh? Why is it only slap that you people like you? I thought I slapped everybody. Huh?
Who slapped you? What are you even talking about?
Oh, my princess. I thought someone slapped me.
Onyema.
Sorry, my princess.
What's wrong with you? I don't understand. Are you okay? Who slapped you? Are you normal?
I'm fine. I'm fine, my princess.
Okay. Go get me food. I want to take to my mother in the hospital.
Okay. Oh.
My husband, this your restlessness is becoming unbearable. Don't you think it's high time we talked about this? Let us find a lasting solution.
How is Ego faring?
She has not woken up. The doctor said he is doing everything possible to see that she recovers.
I need to see her now. Yes. I want to go to the hospital. You're not looking bright. Is there any problem? What about your mother? How is she faring? Huh? Talk to me, Jovo. I'm listening. Huh? My mother is the best.
Hey, you know my mom.
What is it?
Nadia. What have I done?
Igwe, we have come to sympathize with you for the death of your wife, our second Lolo. She was a very good woman.
Yes.
But she never lived long. No one can question the gods. No question the gods.
Igwe, don't mourn like someone who does not have hope. Remember, she gave you 2 beautiful, wonderful children.
Yes.
Those ones are enough source of joy for you. Igwe, Odogu, Kachobi.
I'm not only mourning my wife.
But, Igwe, we heard that your wife, Ego Ibo, died. Then who else are you mourning?
Ngwanu, Oye? Who?
Myself.
Igwe.
Hey! Otuto taa na ọbụlụ mkpu. Onye nla mgbe ebuli ji ibi ụgwọ. Ndị bisi da wibi!
Nai, what did you just say?
You heard me! You heard me! You heard me! What have I done to deserve this? I wish you never asked that question. Deep down your belly runs a stream of iniquity. Pour it out and be free.
Nine. What was he talking about? Oh, singing and what that
He knows better.
He knows Guinea.
He knows better.
Ouch!
I'm sorry, man.
Take it easy.
I'll take it easy now. I'm sorry.
Mom. Good afternoon, Mom.
My friend.
Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine, Mom. Yes, Mom.
Did your father tell you about something that is bothering him?
No. Although I noticed he's been moody recently.
And you never bothered to ask?
How is that my business? Why should I bother myself with his problems?
Did I hear you right? Kendilim.
Yes, Mom.
Do you know it's your father we're talking about here?
Mother, you're taking this matter too far.
Really?
Anyway, tell him to hand over the royal staff to Aguna before he dies, so.
Kendilim.
Yes, Mom.
The next time you talk about your father that way, you will not like what I will do to you.
Sorry, Mom.
Are you okay? Your father! Don't try that again.
Sorry, Mom.
My papa tell me say na me go be the king. My mama tell me say na me go be the king. Me I tell myself na one morning, you see wetin I see. Another person, he begin dey drag my right. I no go dey alive, make another man take am. As I dey see this throne, na my birthright. Ibiza kingdom, na my birthright. I no go dey.
Father, in this palace, we have a royal staff that is called Mboja. Whoever the king hands over the royal staff to succeeds him when he is gone. And it is the duty of the king to be teaching that person the rules, the tradition, and the culture of the land. Because the king is the chief custodian of the culture and tradition of the land.
Thank you, Father. But Father, when is it necessary for the king to hand over the royal staff?
I am the firstborn of this royal home. If there's anybody to know about the tenants of this great kingdom, that person should be me.
Are you out of your mind? Aguna, I expect you to walk in here like a responsible man. Sit down and listen to me. I don't know what is wrong with you. Now listen to me. Anybody that has royal blood must know the way of the land, how to speak, how to behave.
If I am to sit with you, not with this idiot.
How dare you? You are not giving me Igwe Onyekaba option. Eh? Now, if you cannot sit with your brother, leave!
What is going on here?
Mother, can you imagine? Can you imagine Father is asking me to sit down with this fool?
Please, do not use such words on your brother, especially not in the presence of your father.
Mother, did you just say that? Is that all you got to say? Don't make me believe you're part of this loud campaign trying to take away my crown. Nobody can try it. I am the first son of this great kingdom. And that I remain.
Make another man take my right. If you want to die, we go die. If you want to die, we die for here. Ibiza kingdom, na my right. Age of Nazo. Aguna Nazo. Age of Aguna Onyegati. Ibiza kingdom, na my right. Aguna Nazo. Age of Nazo. I no go die alive. Watch another person. Watch another person take my right.
My son, I want to speak to you.
Speak.
I have something to say, but not with this smoke.
Mother, if you don't have anything to say, better go inside and sleep.
I just said I have something to say, but you need to put off that smoke.
I am not putting off my smoke.
hate me so much. Where did I go wrong as a mother?
Come back here. Did you not see me? Be on the ground.
One. Then when I've been in the country, and I've become see you. Your type is what I would use in feeding my dogs. Made you when I get an
Life, what am make another man take my right. If you want to die, we go die. If you want to die, we die for here. Ibiza kingdom, now my right. Age of Anazo, Aguna Nazo, Age of Anaguna, Onyegati. Ibiza kingdom, now my right.
We are ready, my princess. Ready to do what?
Go with him,
Go with my princess. Can you also pay to be my monitoring spirit?
Sorry, my princess. Is something wrong with your head?
No, my princess.
How many times will I send for you before you come and answer me?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was busy inside.
You were busy inside.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for your life. Idiot. Stupid.
Where is my car? Where is my wife? The next minute, I was inside my car with my wife beside me. And my driver was doing a smooth drive. And all of a sudden, my roof, the roof of my car went off and water touched me. And here I am. My princess. My princess, how many times did you slap me?
Onyemechi, I'm not in for all this your comic attitude. But from what I saw, Nkemblin gave you a hot slap and you sat down there.
Oh, wow. That must be a slap of destiny. Aye.
Which one is the slap of destiny?
My princess, you don't understand. That slap that they will give you car and it fast forward you to your destiny and still bring you back to where you are before. My princess, please, can you give me that kind of slap that she gave me? Please. You can slap it this side. Onyemechi. I wish I can get that slap again so I can go back to my car.
Take it easy. Make sure you do that very well.
Okay, my princess. leave us.
And what's the meaning of this?
Nkem Dilim, do you know that boy could run nuts from that slap?
What is my business if he runs nuts? He's not even my brother. Neither is he my boyfriend. He's not even related to me.
Imagine. But he is someone's son.
Son my foot! By the way, is that why you barged into my room with so much disrespect? Did it skip your mind that I'm your elder sister?
Look who is talking about respect. It is you who have no atom of it.
How dare you judge me?
Nkem Dilim, you've got to change. Nkem, change.
I feel like strangling you right now.
And I dare you to touch me.
Anyways, this is the only moment you have to make noise. Because very soon, my brother will be king. And he will sweep you and your brother off this land like pieces of rubbish.
And who intends to stay in this palace forever? Like I will get married someday and live here. Nkem Dilim, you need to know this. Good name is way better than gold and silver. So earn it.
No, don't go. Stay and challenge me. Rubbish.
Oh no. Thank you for the cola.
You are welcome. My ears is itching.
No. The last time we were at the palace, Igwe said he was mourning himself. From the look of things, the man has far gone past his prime.
Why must he be mourning himself at this age?
Oh no, you speak as if every man knows when he's going to die.
Yes, of course. Nobody knows the date of death. Death can occur to anybody at any time.
That's true. That is true. But why will he think of such a thing? That is what bothers me.
I believe something must be hitting his mind before he starts thinking of such.
You know, he has been battling with heart issues for years now. Oh no, if you ask me, I think it is time for him to hand over the royal staff to someone else.
You have a point there. You have a point.
No. I'm sorry.
Me, I tell myself, now my birthright. I wake up one morning, you see waiting, I see. Another person, they begin, they drag my right. I know God, they are life, make another man take up. As I they see this throne, now my birthright. Ibiza kingdom, now my birthright.
I just said get out.
Please, before you sitting there, you just...
I said get out.
What is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what? That the heir apparent to this kingdom don't have right to sit anywhere he wants?
Why have you allowed foolishness, stupidity to dominate you and eat deep into your bone marrow? I am so sorry for you.
Were you actually talking to me?
I can't find anyone as stupid and arrogant as I described other than you standing before me.
Fanaguna, who will be the king? Ibiza Kingdom. The king of Ibiza. Ibiza Kingdom. Ibiza, Ibiza. Ibiza Kingdom. Ibiza Kingdom, not their right. Ibiza Kingdom. Ibiza. 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 Ibiza.
Hey. Onye mechi nwa mo. Mama.
How are you? Do you even rest at all? Eh? Every time you're sweeping.
The compound is very dirty, so I have to sweep.
Don't worry. Let me finish it up.
Thank you for always giving me half of your salary.
I appreciate the way you are taking good care of me.
You are the only thing I have, Mama. If I don't give you, or if I don't take care of you, who would do that for me? Huh? It's my responsibility, so you don't need to thank me.
My son.
Yes, Mama.
My joy is not complete. I need a daughter-in-law.
Mama, can we just talk for once or discuss for some time and not discuss this issue of get married? I told you I'll get married at the appropriate time. Yeah? I'll get married when the time comes.
I made sure you finish your university education so that when you come out, you find yourself a decent job and give me a daughter-in-law that will give me a grandchildren. Eh? You, a first-class certificate holder, decided to end up as a palace cook. No, it is no good now.
Mama, did you just say a palace cook? I'm not a palace cook. Oh. I'm a palace chef. You, because you have not seen my uniform. Ofonye uniform is seen. Do you know how I dress, Mama? I dress like, you know those captains in the that flies aeroplane. That's how I dress. Eh? But not to worry. I'll get married very soon. I just want you to understand that I have so much love for the palace. I feel like spending my entire life in the palace.
When are you getting married? When will you go and get me a daughter-in-law? When?
Another thing is that I've not even seen any girl that I like. I've not seen anybody that I like.
You should have told me that you don't know how to talk to a girl. Don't worry, I can get one for you.
Mama, did you just say that? How can you possibly know the kind of girl that I would like?
I'm your mother.
Or you want to go and bring a couple? Or do you know if I like it short or I like it tall?
I'm your mother and I know what is good for you.
Mama. Okay, Mama. Just take care of yourself for me. That is the most important thing. I've heard everything you said, but I have to hurry now.
My father's words are coming back once again. What Igwe sees sitting here right now may take you half a century before you can see it. But before you say I never told you, the throne of Ibiza Kingdom does not belong to any king, but to the people. So be careful in your dealings, so you don't paint a future that will never have moment of smile for you.
Igwe, you never cared about Igwe when she was alive. Since she fell ill, you suddenly became solemn. My king, have I lost my place in your heart that you no longer tell me things that bothers you?
That is the greatest mistake of my life, and will betide me if I ever mourn her for 1 second.
Hey, my king, what troubles you?
What I have done to myself, by myself.
Mother, why do you have to go so soon? You would have been alive to witness my coronation. That would have been my utmost joy.
You can't get your hands on this photograph, can you?
It looks so real. It reminds me so much of Mama. Just like she's here. And her smile makes me...
I don't want to see her face. It will return the wound that is trying to heal in my heart.
Yes. But something still bothers me.
What is it?
Mother said we should forget the throne and focus on the wealth she has made for us. But you see, Father has advised that I learn the tenets and the custom of this kingdom so that I may be able to replace him when he has gone as a king.
I would like to see you become the king of this land. But on the other hand, it is a difficult quest right now. Because the way Agona and the mother are going about it, as if it is their lives, they will sure go to any length to make sure that Agona sits on that throne.
So, what do you suggest I should do?
Well, since mother have given us something to fall back on, I think we should focus on them. Then, if Father and the elders have agreed to make you the king, we will surely crown you the king without you struggling for it.
No. I don't like that idea. I don't. But at the same time, I'll do everything in my powers to make sure I do not lose the throne to Agona. Yes, I will fight.
I just told you my mind. You really have to be careful about it.
Don't worry, kid, sister. Don't worry.
have to rest before going out again.
Mama, no need to rest now. I've started already. Now let me finish it. I know I have to be faster. My mother will not look for me. Yeah, Mama.
Ngozi, my God will surely bless you for me, eh?
I'm coming.
It is a kingdom. It is a kingdom. It is a kingdom. It is a kingdom.
Ned.
Why have you chosen to continue living like this? Why don't you confess your sin and be free?
Ned, please don't start again. I have a lot running in my life now. Don't add to it.
Ndubisi, why do you make me feel that I made the worst mistake of my life getting married to you? Ever since I got married to you, there is nothing like happiness. No child to show for all the years that I've spent with you in this house. Not even your fidelity to me as a husband is guaranteed. Now this. No medical explanation for it. The chief priest asked you to confess the evil deed that you have done. No, you wouldn't. Ndubisi, I am sick and tired of this marriage. Ika wugom.
Ned, please give me a moment of peace in my home. I lost somebody very important in my life. Please, give me a moment of rest.
Hey!
I think I was nothing than a dead man.
Chai, what kind of marriage is this? Kenyan jirisi we could abikono. Kenyo. Kodo wadiya kenyo. What is it? Gods of our land, please. Save me out of this marriage. Save me. Omburunka for kameji we tuono. I am left with nothing. There is nothing to show for it.
What kind of tea is this one? Where did she even buy this bitter tea? Oh, is that why she said I should put sugar or milk? Sugar or milk? Tomon bes kalava titi alava pos alava kai titi boss and boss. Oh, papa dash me sugar. The one that got the bitter one. Let her drink it like that. My princess. Thank you, my princess.
Stand there. Wait. Yeah! Too bitter. Add a little sugar. If you like, let it take you hours to do that. Take it back.
I should put more sugar.
Add a little sugar.
Okay. Was I the one that asked you to buy it? You bought it with your money. These people are taking me too cheap in this palace. Is it because I have love for palace? Eh? As a graduate, if I was cooking for somebody like Donald Trump or Queen of England, would they be treating me this way? Giving me hot slap every now and then? Okay, you said you want sugar. Sugar I will give you. Hi. No sugar, no sugar. Hi. No sugar. Is it getting worse? Or is sugar making it more bitter? Princess, you said you want sugar. You want sugar. Sugar shall you receive. Daddy. Yeah. Oye matey. Princess, Daddy is coming your way. I'm here, princess. You will like it this time.
Come back here. Where do you think you're going? Stand there. Oh no! Not again! I asked you to add a little sugar to this tea, and you packed the whole sugar in the world and poured inside it and brought it for me to drink and die?
Oh, how can I? If I kill my princess, waiting again. It was not intentional.
You must be foolish.
Sorry.
Take this thing away from here. Will you take this thing away from here?
You mean I should take it away?
No, come and feed me.
Oh, really? I got it.
Stupid boy. Foolish. Oh my God. Oh. Onyemechi, do you love me?
I do, my princess. I really do. It's just that I didn't find myself ready to profess my love to you, my princess. Considering the fact that you're from a rich and royal home and I am from a poor home.
Onyemechi.
My princess.
Onyemechi, why are you allowing this thing to stress you like this? Why do you allow it to bother you this way? Besides, you have aged to get married.
But I've not seen the woman I want to marry. She's forcing a girl on me.
Really?
Yes.
And who is she?
Her name is Ngozi. She comes from this community, but I've known her for a long time though, but I have no idea how to love her.
Get me a pack of mango juice. Huh? Tell Onyemechi that it's an order from Prince Ejiofor.
Okay, my prince. It's okay. Oh, it's okay.
Disengage.
My princess, my princess. Why are you here? Prince Ejiofor asked for a glass of fresh mango juice, my princess.
There is no mango in the house. I'll have to go to the market to buy mango to make the juice for him.
I think you should go tell him that yourself. You can leave now. Oh, it's okay. My princess, my princess. Why are you here? Prince Ejiofor asked for a glass of fresh mango juice, my princess.
There is no mango in the house. I'll have to go to the market to buy mango to make the juice for him.
I think you should go tell him that yourself. You can leave now. Come back here! If you dare look at him like that again, I'll relieve you of your duties. Sorry, my princess.
My princess, the king would skin me alive if he finds out that I helped you.
Forget about my father. You've not done anything wrong.
Okay, if you say so. Okay, I have to hurry now, so I'll go talk to Prince Ejiofor for myself. Greetings, the most favorite and amiable prince of Ibiza Kingdom. I am sorry to announce to you that we lack mango in the house. But give me just 1 hour, I'll make it available.
Do you realize how stupid you are? Do you know you're very stupid?
My prince, I know that you know that I am stupid. I'm sorry about that.
Now listen, this is the spiritual and physical abode of Ibiza Kingdom. So, whatsoever we want should be available.
I'm sorry.
Be gone!
Okay.
Agụnna nwoke m ị na-anụ scores ama m na ị na-anụ scores nwaanyị ị na-atabu akwa awụsa na ana chee na ọ bụrụ inwe ịza klaasị gekwa ntị aghọ ka eji edie nwaanyị ike ebe mbe nwanne m mma na-ele afịa nwanne gị nwa na-ekpoko chenji Akwefo, sinema ya ata isi, ọ ya egbu iyi.
Onyemechi, what was that thing I saw you do with Princess Nkoli?
Did somebody just spoke? Or was that a jam question? With this kind of eyes, you may have seen what I did not see. So, what did you see?
Okay. I think I should first tell the king about it.
Hey, calm down. Can't somebody joke with you for once? I wasn't joking with you.
What kind of joke is that? I saw you hugging and smooshing the princess, and now you're pretending to not know what I'm talking about.
I'm sorry. It happened so fast. I hugged her. I wasn't expecting.
Spare me that sermon. Have you forgotten that the king warned that anyone who tries to seduce any member of the royal family will be punished?
I know. Please keep it away from the king. It's not going to happen again. I will give you double portion of food in the night. Your own will be double. Please, as long as you keep it to yourself.
Are you sure?
Yes, I will.
Are you sure?
I will. I said it. I said it that princess will put me in trouble. Did that kind of August hugging. I wasn't expecting. He came. Hi.
Oh no. You're the only one who can help us in this matter. Please do not say no.
We, the kingmakers, have decided to follow the law strictly, especially in the area of choosing our king.
We know it can be changed. I know how all these things work.
It will be a Herculean task to change it.
Whatever it will cost, we are ready. We came prepared.
Well, let us face the facts. Aguna here does not possess the quality of a king. Your father is the best king this kingdom has ever produced. I will advise you to go into living your normal life. I don't think the elders will restrain from going back to this.
Oh no. I have done a new leaf.
Yes.
I am different from that old Agunian.
Exactly.
I have changed. Here is my little token. I am using this to let you know that if you can help me, talk to the elders for me to become the king. More will come from where this came from.
Well, thank you very much for the gift. But I'm not guaranteeing you anything. I will try my best. Thank you once again.
No, do whatever you can. Expect more of this.
I will try my best.
My mama tell me say na me go be the king. Me I tell myself na my birthright. I wake up one morning, you see wetin I see. Another person be begin dey drag my right. I no go dey alive make another man take am. As I dey see this road.
Father, I want to visit my maternal home.
Your maternal home? Good. It's your second home. You can go there anytime you want.
I wish to stay there up to a week.
Up to a week? Don't you think it's too long?
No, Father. I want to spend little time with my cousins.
Okay. Good. So, when are you planning to go?
Tomorrow evening. Only if I have your permission.
You have my permission.
Thank you, Father.
Okay.
Yes, Father.
Father, I got this orange for you. I know you love orange, you love it.
Agona. That is interesting. It's good. It's good. When you stay closer, you can understand our culture and tradition. As a king sitting on the throne, I can't eat anything or lick anything. So, go and put this orange inside the refrigerator. I will eat later.
It's alright.
But you've done great. You've done great.
Thank you, Father.
You see, assuming you were behaving like this earlier. But no. Now you want to sip from an empty cup. Huh? You quit your leg on here, where's in head in here? Get a guy, man.
Boss, we have not heard from you for a very long time. Ready, Feball? What is the update?
Django?
Boss.
There's a new development. But you guys have to stay tuned. I will brief you on my new movement. Okay?
Boss, what? I hope you are still going to kill.
Yes, but I want you to be at alert. Alright? You will hear from me very soon.
Bonsoir. I fear no one go with him. But you are the boss. You have one you one you know see now.
It is a kingdom. 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 It is a kingdom.
Mama. Greetings, Mama.
Greetings, my princess. I'm favored to have you in my poor home. I hope it's for good.
It's all for good, Mama. Am I welcomed?
Yes, feel free.
I will be staying for days.
My princess, what is going on? Please tell me, has anything happened to my son?
No, Mama. No, Mama. Nothing has happened to your son. Let's go inside.
Wait here, me alone, Mom.
It is a kingdom. It is a kingdom.
I thought we had discussed this matter the last time I came here. And you all agreed that all things are passed away. You don't have to go the way of the dogs. I know that it can be difficult when you already get used to the way of doing things. But however, If you open your heart to God, He will help you change. Well, for me, we can make new laws for my people. It wouldn't be a problem. But I cannot totally make them, follow whatever I say. I will not do that. They accepted every other law, everything. They accepted it. But the one they refused totally is a woman from another village giving birth to someone that will be heir apparent to the throne. That is the one they refused. But that can still be changed.
Well, yes, it can be changed, no doubt. But the kingship of this land, we have to go back from where it started. Yes, well, I don't see if there was any error in it. But if you all insist there's an error, then that error has to be corrected from where it started.
In as much as I'm a Christian, I won't allow Christianity to make us destroy the secret that has kept this community going over the years. I insist to it. I insist that we stick to it.
Listen, Azuna has said it all. All the one who put in our. Azuna,
Mom, how did it go?
They refused.
What? You mean the elders of Ibiza land refused me? Nobody can stop me. Nobody can stop me from sitting on that throne. Even if it means me dropping my blood for it, I will do it.
Who is that?
Hey! Biko! Hey, Biko! Sorry! Biko! Hey! Biko! Sorry, Biko! Hey! Biko, don't kill me! Hey! Hey! Awalo! Hey! Hey! Biko! Hey! Biko!
In fact, I'm highly consternated on what I heard. See, could you imagine that instinct is telling me that Prince Agon and Bishop Cletus are trying to play our intelligence. Could you imagine?
Ichoku, you are not the only one feeling that way. But I wonder why he wants Agonna to succeed him instead of Ejiofor. Ejiofor is better than the other one.
You see, there's no problem. As far as we know someone was from it, yes, we know what to do. Because we know tradition. Understand me? We are the elders of the land. We know what to do. Yes. We know the rules and regulations. The traditions of this land. Oh, yes. We uphold it. Yes. Understand me? Since he's not capable, we can never allow him to stay on that throne. That's what it should be. Because staying on that throne is a question of stabilizing we elders of this kingdom. Yes. That's what
let us wait for the next meeting.
That's no problem. That's no problem. Oh, I can't see it. Be gone. Am I to lie down or don't go? Don't do. Hey! No, thank you, Joe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Move. Hey! My wife and my children. My children.
Nice job. I must commend your efforts. But the job is not complete yet. Because we still need to take Ejiofor out of the way. We need to silence him. And I want it to be a very clean job. I don't want stories.
Boss, I will remove every wapus and repus on your way of becoming the king of Ibiza. Boss,
Django, thank you very much. I must commend you for a nice job you've been doing for me. You hear from me. I need to be on my way now. Okay?
Boss, nigga. Akuziaka. Boss, again.
The worst has happened. The worst has happened. As I speak with you, Ichi Okoro, Azuna, and Udoka are lying dead.
What is happening? What do we do? Can I be here?
Breka, do you still want me to leave the palace? Your Highness, do you still remember that this palace belongs to the people?
Not just you. Yes, I do. I do remember.
Two little birds were arguing over who owns the nest when their mother left them. At a point, they decided to confront their mother with their argument. When they tabled it before their mother, she said to them that it is the wind that determines who owns the nest. Yes, she built the nest, but the nest actually belongs to the wind.
Ayaka, I can't really lay my hands on why you are saying all this. But whatever, go home with it. I am now a Christian. I am now a Christian. So, I don't want to ever see you in this palace as long as I still live here. So leave. Go.
Ikwe bute ndị ọgbakọ taa n'azụ. Ikwe bute ndị ọgbakọ taa n'azụ. Igwe de kaba. I will leave, but will come back when the time is ripe.
Ayaka, kai gupu no kudani nangata tupu atawo wanyo uta. What do we do?
Igwe de kaba. No matter how Christianity has come to stay, it can't completely wipe away our culture. In this land, when a king has passed his prime, he has the symbol of kingship to his supposed successor. And it must be done according to our culture and tradition. Igwe Yekaba, trying to rewrite a history that has already been written may cause you more harm than you can imagine. Tell Prince Ejiofor who he really is. Tell him. But an even in an erenitego, even in an erenitego, even in an erenitego. Never that my lamp man of them.
Nyemichi is fond of this. He's always eating while sleeping, and he will never change. Look at him. What is he even eating? He's eating your brain. You're not serious. Mama, do you like my food?
Yes, you cook well.
It's only Michi that taught me how to cook.
That's good. My princess, my home is the least place I expect you to have your vacation.
Because your home is where I want to have my vacation. Mama, Oyemichi told me that you have been pressurizing him to get married.
Yes, he has kept me waiting for a long time. Don't tell me you are in love with my son. I see. I don't think your father will support you on this. He will kill my son if he finds out he is in love with you.
Mama, that's why I want him to leave the palace. I will help him get a better job. So that when he wants to visit my father will not have any reason to reject him.
Oh, both of you have planned it already.
No, Mama. He doesn't even know that I'm here. He gives me so much respect as the princess I am. I so much love him.
Don't worry. I will send for him.
Thank you, Mama.
Continue eating.
Hope you're enjoying the food. Greetings, sir.
Greetings to you, my princess.
I like your watch.
Thank you very much.
Can I ask you something?
Go ahead, my princess.
Are you related to my mother?
Yes. No. But why do you ask?
Nothing. Why are you walking like that?
Oh, my dear. You won't understand. See you later.
Yes, but it's for my brother. Tomorrow, 26th of May, is his birthday.
Oh!
Yes.
I'll call him tomorrow and wish him a happy birthday.
No. He's my half-brother.
not too related to me. I don't think you know him.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Is it fun?
It's beautiful.
Thank you. That means I made a nice choice for him.
Yes.
It is a kingdom. It is a kingdom. It is a kingdom. It is a kingdom.
Do you think I can bottle this forever? I don't think so. I need to overcome my fears. I must have to do this and set my heart free. If I will die, let that be that I have said the truth. I will.
Nobody in the royal family is smiling anymore. I overheard the king saying it was love that led him into all those problems. Before now, I never knew love could lead someone into problems. It's a lie. I'm telling you. See, he's a good king, no doubt. But his problem is he has very bad children. But the problem with good people is that they are always working towards maintaining their goodness and they forget to take care of their children first. And seriously, I believe in a prince in Agoma will make a better king than another president. Because nobody believes that such a good king because such a good children. My dear. I pity the king.
Look at them. Look at their faces. Do you have work? No. Your own is to be eating and eating my food in this palace. The worst thing is that when some people's brains like you are leaking, what you do is to sit and gossip about somebody's family issue. That does not concern you.
And when some people finish eating in their dreams, they'll go about looking for conversations to interrupt.
Who just spoke? Butterfly that thinks herself a bird. Your case is even worse. In fact, they should be coming condolence for you. Because them, their brains are leaking. But you see all those times that you used to see me do my mouth like this. I'm eating in the dream. I've eaten your brain.
At least he accepts he eats in the dream. It's your own brain that they eat.
See, one thing with you is that you are bestowed with foolishness. As in, your name should not be Onyema. Your name should be Onya Apari.
What did she just say?
Onya Apari.
Look at them. See as you're walking. Think about. Keep walking. Let me sing for you. I know some of you when you came to this palace, you were black, oh. Now you have bought fairness with 30 naira in the market. Let me tell you. How are you?
Hey, Ma.
Huh? How are you?
I'm fine.
So you're breathing like...
I was coming from your house, so...
Oh, my house?
Yes. It's good I see you now. I need to tell you something, though.
And what is it?
Yeah, I'm getting married tomorrow.
To who?
surprised now?
Not like it's just that.
Am I too young to get married or what?
No. Okay, is it a he or she?
Hi, William.
Eh?
Hey, I was thinking your stay in the palace would have made you stop all this your funny talk. So, but anyway, I'm getting married tomorrow, and you're invited.
I'm invited.
Yes, so come.
I'll come.
Are you sure?
I'll come.
Alright, I'm gonna call dinner.
I hope it's not my mother that is going to marry her. This one that she did not even say if it's he or she. I told my mother that to marry a wife is not a recharge card that you buy and put in phone and start pressing and calling her.
I want to talk to you right now.
Father, as you can see, I am dressed for an occasion. And as the crown prince of Ibiza Kingdom, I am the chief guest of honor. See you when I'm back, Father.
I wonder why the young ones of these days allow ego to eat off their sense of responsibility. They are too blind to see the heavy cloud, but run helter-skelter when the rain gets on them. The world is deep. The world is a mystery. Oboro to sibido, kusie chadebe. Yes.
My papa tell me say na me go be the king. My mama tell me say na me go be the king. Me I tell myself na my birthright. I wake up one morning, you see wetin I see. Another person he begin dey drag my right. I no go dey alive make another man take am. As I dey see this throne na my birthright. Ibiza kingdom na my birthright. I no go dey alive watch am.
Where is my driver? Are you ready? Yes, sir. What are you doing in my house? Huh? You what? Okay, wait for me. I will soon be with you. Where is he? Where is he? Can I go on what sign he be? Where is he? What sign he be? I'm going to leave. Nonsense. I'm going to leave.
Ibiza
My princess, why are you still crying over the kidnap of the prince? I told you not to cry again. He will soon be back as soon as he's released.
Greetings to you. You did go around?
No, he went out.
Oh, he went out. Okay, we shall be back. Let's go. Igwe is not going to return again.
This man again. What is he doing here? Where is Oge?
She's at the backyard.
Call her for me.
Yes, my princess.
Your Highness, Mazen Dubis here has a confession to make before this royal family. Dubisi, tell this royal family what you have done.
Your Highness, late Queen Egoibo was my childhood friend. When we are done with school, I went on to seek her hand in marriage. But the Onowu then chased me away, saying that she belonged to the king. All effort I made to marry her failed, but she never stopped loving me. Then when I got married, we still could not stay away from each other. We started having affairs, having many things in common, often go on vacation.
I don't want to hear more. I know about all that.
You knew all this?
Yes, she told me all this before she died.
I want to tell you that and Jofo and Kolika are not your children.
What? Is it even?
Yes.
I don't remember.
They belong to the baby.
Now, what is the meaning of what you're saying? What is the meaning?
I never wanted to tell you, but I know that my spirit will never be at rest if I die without telling you.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Your spirit will never rest. When I come back this week. Hey, almost
Highness! Stop, Your Highness! Your Highness!
At that point, I knew I've lost on both sides. But that's by the way. Ayaka,
Your Majesty,
I want to ask you this. Have the gods chosen the next successor?
To status quo. To status quo. The gods have ordered we return to status quo. The family of Obiekwe, the eldest family in this land.
The last Dioba we had in this kingdom was from that family. He died without a son.
Yes, but his younger brother has a male child. The gods know better.
So, his younger brother. Which male child? Which of his younger brother that I don't know?
Onyemechi Obiekwe will be the king after you. So said the gods.
Your Highness, please have mercy on me. Forgive me. I don't know what came over me. Please, I have suffered. Help me.
Even if I kill you, it will not right the wrong. So, go. I have forgiven you.
Thank you. Your Highness, I'm healed. Ayaka, the big scrotum has disappeared.
The gods are wise.
Yes, the gods are wise.
One. Milliga money can I press on. I got a bucket. I got a ballet. Nga kwatugi. Agabale.
Hello.
Boss Nelo.
Have you guys killed him?
Boss. I got kwatu onya no bere oge. Oge na ade ga anya boss I kwatu oya. I dey bu ya.
Stop. Don't kill him, okay?
Huh? Come on, go.
I'm coming there right away.
When ke fene me? Ke di fene me na.
Shango.
Mpa.
Jack.
Mpa.
You want to become the king? Well, let me tell you. The rain that will fall on you. Can I press up? Mliga moya can I press up? What can the incubator?
There is no need fighting each other. We have both lost the throne. The gods has disappointed the lineage. Our palace guard is now the one to succeed our father, after he might have joined his ancestors. Django, drop him.
On the case, you find him?
No.
You don't say that you. How many people are you one day? Go for it.
No more.
Continue sleeping with the queen.
Leave
me alone.
My wife.
Your wife.
Because I like to give us children.
Also wife.
The Ib is no more. The Ib is no more.
The Ib is no more.
The Ib is no more.
The Ib is no more.
I can take good care of you. You can still have children.
What children?
The Ib is no more. Look at it.
Children?
I'm healed.
What have I done? The Ib is no more. What is the Ib is no more?
No more big scrotum.
What wrong have I done to you? Ever since I got married to you, all I do is to please you, to make you happy. Even when I am not happy with the marriage, I just want you to be happy. What did you use to pay me back? By sleeping with the queen, making me barren. You made the gods curse me. I can't bear children. You are a wicked man. You must go. You must be punished. You must not go unpunished. All my life, I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you in my life. You shall suffer. You will find no peace. You shall never be happy in your life again. Nothing good will ever come your way. You are wicked.
Of the land that he make us give us children.
Go close to. Don't dare come close to me. I just want to.
The gods had hid me, and they can still give us children. But Dave is no more. Maybe they're supposed to understand. Eh?
Mama, I've submitted my CV and they said I should come next week. That the job, the salary is for 60,000 for start. Even though they said I should come next week, but I have a strong feeling that I will get the job. God is faithful.
My son, there's no need for that. I went to the palace to tell them that you will no longer work there.
Huh?
I met the chief prince. He told me that the gods have chosen you to be the next Igwe of this kingdom.
Mama, I don't understand. Because you're saying a different thing altogether. First, what we agreed on was you go and take permission for me so I can go submit my CV in the city for the new job. Not going to stop work for me. What if I don't get the job at the city? What will I'll come and be staying idle in the house. And the part of Igwe,
my son, even the elders brought the Iboja here, which signifies that you are the heir apparent to the throne. Yes, Your Highness.
Mama, stop. It's not every time you like to joke. This one is not everything you joke with. How? How possible is it? They brought the Iboja in our house.
Yes.
They brought the Iboja of Ibiza Kingdom in our house.
Yes.
Mama, are you dreaming?
I'm not dreaming.
Mama, let me touch you. Maybe you're dreaming, no?
I'm not dreaming.
Even if there is more truth in it, how is that going to work? Me, Paul Onyemeichi, become the king of the great Ibiza kingdom. In this kind of house. In this condition. Who have you ever seen that is a king that lives in this kind of bacha? Mama, if you're dreaming, please wake up. Maybe you dreamt before coming to tell me this. Because this is, it's sounding somehow.
My son, don't worry. Eh? Don't worry. She's been coming. She has been helping me here. My princess.
You're welcome, my lady.
My point is that Mama does not want to understand. And she's not ready to understand. Eh? How can she be excited that I was choosing to be the king of Ibiza kingdom like this? That is not my priority. My number one priority now is to go to city. Since I've secured a job, at least I need to work. I need to become a man. I need to make some money. Not like this. Even if I had to consider that in the future, which I'm not even sure. Not like this, not in this condition. Hmm?
I totally agree with you. But not for you to go back to that palace as a chef. But since you have submitted your CV, I believe you're going to get the job.
Yeah, it's a good thing you even understand, but she doesn't understand at all. Yeah? Anyway, since you people want me to leave the chef work, even though I like it so much, working in that palace has always made me happy. But I've left the job now.
Today is the happiest day in my life. I'm happy to witness this. Since the death of our last Igwe, the throne of Ibiza kingdom has been vacant. Now that the heir apparent to the throne is here, we have to continue planning for his coronation, which comes up in 2 market days.
Oh no, thank you. Thank you so much. I've always held you to high esteem, and I've always respected you when the king, Onyekaba, the late king of Ibiza land, may he so rest. You're a man of integrity, and I'm sure that wherever the late king is, he's so happy and proud of you. Thank you. I wish everyone, all the elders are here so I can thank them, for standing beside me, for supporting me, and most especially the gods of Ibiza land for choosing me. Look at me, mother, look at me, look at you, son. Huh? That quickly reminds me to the name you and my late father gave me, Onyemeichi. Nobody knows tomorrow. Even when I was serving in this great palace as a chef, I never knew that I would even go to city. I never knew I would make money, not to talk more of being chosen as the king of Ibiza land. It's a great honor.
May our ancestor come to guide you.
Thank you, no. I also know that before anybody ascends the throne of Ibiza kingdom, he must be married according to the tradition, right? I'm actually looking for a wife. Princess Ngoli, now that I'm about to ascend the throne of this great Ibiza kingdom, will you marry me? Please?
Mother, she said yes! She said yes! Come here. She said yes!
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Forever MCN, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join our Forever MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@forever.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Our Forever MCN, your home of content creators.
My papa tell me say na me go be the king. My mama tell me say na me go be the king. Me I tell myself na my birthright. I wake up one morning, you see wetin I see. Another person he begin dey drag my right. I no go dey alive make another man take am. As I dey see this throne na my birthright. Ibiza kingdom na my birthright. I no go dey alive watch am. Make another man take my right. If you want to die, we go die. If you want to die, we die for here. Ibiza kingdom na my right. Age of Anazo, Aguna Nazo. Age of Anaguna, Onyegati. Ibiza kingdom na my right. Aguna Nazo. Age of Anazo. I no go dey alive. Watch another person. Watch another person take my right. Onye sikagu anyagu. If you want die, we go die. Ibiza kingdom na my right. Age of Anazo. Aguna Nazo. Age of Anaguna Onyegati. Age of Anaguna Onyegabigwe. Age of Anaguna, who will be the king? The king of Ibiza. Ibiza. Ibiza kingdom na their right. Ibiza. Age of Anaguna, who will take the crown? Osemwaku, Uzemwaku. Fana bonebo mefanubi onyozo. My papa tell me say na me go be the king. My mama tell me say na me go be the king. Me I tell myself na my birthright. I wake up one morning, you see wetin I see. Another person he begin dey drag my right. I no go dey alive make another man take am. As I dey see this throne na my birthright. Ibiza kingdom na my birthright. I no go dey alive ọfọ na-azọ